Cody Lytle. I work for Almaco Manufacturing in Nevada, Iowa. We make customized agricultural research equipment for the seed industry. I'm an engineering supervisor at Almaco, and I've worked there for 3 years.
And what did you get your degree in?
I graduated in May of 2010 with a degree in agricultural engineering with an emphasis of power machinery.
So today's the career fair, so what are you looking for in potential hires for Almaco?
For potential hires, when we're looking at Almaco, we're a very customized manufacturing-based company, so we're looking for potential employees that have problem-solving skills, that can think on their feet, and critical thinking skills to work through the differences on the manufacturing floor and work directly with not only manufacturing but customers and to solve their problems.
So what courses did you take that helped prepare you for working at Almaco?
Within the Ag Engineering department, some of my the basic courses that Ag Engineering does, like power and machinery with Dr. Burrell, those type classes. One of the more handy courses that we've come into that I've needed is hydraulics. All our machinery is powered by hydraulics, so all those skill sets are what we need as an engineer to come in and to solve problems when they get there.
So when you look at a resume here at the career fair, what helps one resume stand out more than another?
The biggest thing would be displaying that problem-solving skills. That you can come in, you were laid out with a particular problem and what you were able to do to help solve that problem and advance your previous employer with those solutions. Would be also working with teams and working on that communication and interacting with people is key.
If you were to go back to college, what would you do different?
I would be more involved with some of the ASABE or one of the other groups in like the mechanical engineering department like Baja to get those work on those skill sets earlier. Using that information that you're gaining in class and having a place to apply it right away, I think would be key in advancing your career right from the beginning.
So at Almaco, how are you evaluated? Are you evaluated like on a yearly basis, and what are the things they evaluate?
We do performance reviews or evaluations every 6 months that work directly on your competencies that our department talks about all the time. They're actually laid out just like that on our performance reviews on communication, innovation, attention to detail, those kinds of things are directly on our performance reviews and lay them out there just like they tell you they will in college.
So how do you prepare for those reviews? You have to kind of keep track of what you've done over the past months?
At Almaco, it isn't too hard to keep track of everything you're working on. Generally, you're the only person working on a particular project, so over 6 months you may have only worked on 2 or 3 different things, so it lays out pretty easy, and you know going into it where you've what those projects and how they played into your competencies and your skill sets.